about the education policy and curriculum framework. And I'm sure that new education policy will inspire every state to shape their curriculum according to their needs. Now we have next speaker, Dr. Ajay Kumar Singh, Joint Director of SSA and SCRT Government of Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is largest state of India, and number of skills, center of skills either in Allahabad or so the curriculum skilling the skills. So I'm sure that Dr. Ajay Kumar Singh will inspire us to understand how they are planning to shape the framework in the light of new education policy for the student of Uttar Pradesh. Welcome, Dr. Ajay Kumar Singh.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. I think my screen is there.
Yes, 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 your screen there.
Okay, so thank you. So I'm Ajay Kumar Singh. I'm Joint Director at SCERT Uttar Pradesh. I will try to let you go through skilling through curriculum, how we are doing at Uttar Pradesh. So education is the most powerful tool which can use to humanize this world. There is a crisis of humanity over the world. So we must try to use this education as a tool. At Uttar Pradesh, we don't exactly right now running pre-primary education. Pre-primary education is basically run by at Anganwadis, which has been run by Department of uh, Bal Vikas and Pustaha. But uh, in the light of new education policy, maybe from the next year, we are trying to have pre-primary education at a school level, and we have designed a curriculum which is very flexible, multi-level, play-based activities. There is no division from 3 to 6 years, and no, it's a very flexible kind of. At primary level, it's a play-based, discovery-based, activity-based learning to lay foundation for different kind of skills like writing, speaking, and art, music, uh, and mathematical skills. At upper primary level, which curriculum right now running in the state is an application based, discussion based, experimental based, vocational based, and more. There are more abstract concept also across subjects, and we try to inbuilt experiential learning in the in through our curriculum. Uh, there are some personal level and some social level educational aims which we try through different skills which we try to imbibe in our students, like communication skill, observation skill, which is most important, and analytical skill, knowledge, safety and security, vocational skill, and empowerment and expansion. There are some social angles like social harmony, moral building, and cultural building, and which travels a lot through our curriculum. The way we designed, I just tried to let you know that we try to go through both basic and general, basic and specific educational goals. Our curriculum is continuously evolving. Each and every year we try to moderate it. It is continuously engaging. My curriculum from class 1 to 8 is very engaging for students and teachers. It gives an space for teachers and students to do applications and experimentation. My curriculum is it promotes local environment engagement, local material and habitat for concept building. It's logically sequenced from easy to difficult, every concept and every content. Assessment as emphasized in curriculum is child friendly, and it is based on continuous and comprehensive evaluation. While designing curriculum, we too take we consider aspirations of our various sections of the society, and it's a very flexible, like every year there are many subjects which come from central government to state government which need to be incorporated just to uh, make students informed and acknowledged. So this is how we develop our curriculum. We have approx 18 books and at primary level means class 1 to 5, and 33 books at upper primary level. Through these curriculum and books, we try to imbibe and inbuild some skills at classroom and students. So there are social skills, social or interpersonal skills, cognitive and thinking skills, and emotional skills. So what and there are some more things like at primary and pre-primary level, we need to what we do is basically this is a reality based, like fine motor skills. We work on fine motor skills, holding pencil, coloring, making art, craft, toys, cutting things, and dressing and threading, beading, etc. And similarly, we also work at school level many things like which are gross motor skills: standing, walking, running, jumping, lifting, uh, different kind of things, and kicking, basic self defense skills at our school level. Muscle control, balance, coordination, like climbing, opening, putting doors across. So these are some skills which have been taken care of at pre-primary level and at class 1 and 2 level, because students just come at that time to schools. And then there are some more things which through curriculum and textbooks we try to imbibe in our students, like communication skill, like listening, speaking, touching, communication through touch, smell, visual, taste. Similarly, self awareness, like body awareness, wellness, rest, exercise, health, nutrition, lifestyle, self help skills, first aid, cleaning and householding, basics of cleanliness, assertiveness, empathy, time management, environmental preservation. Similarly, in a cognitive and level, cognitive and thinking skills, which we try to imbibe through our curriculum and textbook, is uh, asking questions, problem solving, storytelling, visual discrimination, matching, sorting, organizing, understanding of cause and effect, simple reasoning, memory games, jigsaw puzzles, pretend play. So these are things which we have inculcated in our curriculum and textbooks just to uh, just to uh, make these skills in students. Similarly, there are many skills which are needed for students to make healthy relationship with society and friends, and so basic etiquettes like regulating their own behavior, emotions, developing friendship and with other children and healthy relationship with adults, creating a positive personal identity, developing a working memory, curiosity for the world and persistence, participating and engaging in learning. So interacting with people at home, at neighborhood and society at large. So these are the skills which we have tried to develop in students through our curriculum. So this is all from my side. So thank you.
Uh, Thank you, Dr. Ajay Kumar Singh. It was very inspiration presentation from Uttar Pradesh. I'm sure that this curriculum will create the social harmony and will bring the more happiness, especially the stress on empathy and stress management is focused. And now we have next speaker, Dr. S. Samin, Deputy Director, SCRT, Government of Tamil Nadu. Dr. Samin. Dr.
Yes,
Samin.
sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
please. Yeah.
Yes. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes. Good afternoon, all of you. It's very
good
happy to meet everyone. Very namaskar to all intellectuals. And it's a greeting from our SCRT Tamil Nadu to all that academy here. And here the topic about to present is curriculum of indigenous circle.
Yes.
Yeah, it is a very interesting thing. And you know, it is an indigenous circle. We mean by in a circle, when we stand in a circle, every person gets an equal opportunity.
Yeah.
Every person has an equal opportunity. That's what we mean by curriculum of indigenous circle. And here we go and say that what has SCRT Tamil Nadu has done so far to impart this curriculum of indigenous circle. I like to mention it by three dimensions, like education, training, and research. By education, we mean that we have recently revised our curriculum, and we have given that we have actually brought out new textbooks also. In the textbooks, we have given many academic inputs like curricular inputs we have given, and these inputs are making every student to get equal opportunity to according to his skills, according to his learning style and everything. For example, how a chapter that how we have gone over to our textbooks, we have revised, we have compared the curriculum of curriculum across the globe, we should say. So we had an expert committee, we had the practicing teachers roping in, and we had all gone by all this process, and we finalized the curriculum, and we have shared it in that, I have shared it with the NCRT and in NEPA meetings, many dias I have shared with them. Then how about we have gone